For more than 8 years, mental health practitioners at iChars have worked with and helped a large number of people deal with issues related to stress, anxiety, sleep, smoking, anger, relationships, and a lot more. If you are watching this, I am assuming either you or someone you know may be facing these issues. You know what are the most frustrating things about facing these issues? Most of us think once we know what needs to be done to resolve these issues, we will be able to resolve them. Sadly, that is not how it works for most people. Awareness is not equal to change. Take the example of managing weight. Everyone knows what needs to be done to manage weight, but how many of them are actually able to do it? I am sure you have been in a situation where you wanted to do something, but despite of knowing what needs to be done, you were not able to. What stopped you? The most powerful and common hindrance that stops us from doing what we want to do is our thoughts and emotions. Thoughts like, I wouldn't be able to do it, or what will people say? Emotions like fear, insecurities, helplessness, and anger. What is important for you to know is that you are not alone. Almost everyone is in the same boat with respect to the problems that they are having. Just knowing the solution will not necessarily be enough to help you resolve your problems. You need to be able to find ways to restructure your thoughts and change your emotions naturally and effectively. And this is what we at iChars specialize in. If you are looking for someone to help you resolve your problems or create a change in your life, go ahead and schedule a 45-minute free session with any of our specialists. Yes, you heard this right. In this 45-minute session, one of our specialists will help you plant a seed in your mind in a way that as you nurture the seed, you are able to resolve your problems and create the desired change naturally, effectively, and relatively effortlessly.